places to go travel.
What did he say?
I don't know. Okay, vive le France, vive le France. Okay, I start with you. I tell you something French. See this, look, can see the top of the tower, look. See the tower on the top there, right? 17th century. It's called Santa Maria Tower. That was used, can you hear me, all of you? That was used for the wonderful French film Count of Monte Cristo. Yeah, and that was the jail in Marseille. The jail, Château-d'If, yeah? So that was the jail in the film, okay? Anybody saw the film, Count of Monte Cristo? It was a very good film. So that was the jail in the film, okay? Okay, we go to the first cave now. I would like to know where you're from, actually. We have two French people over here, right? And you're from England, I think. You're from England? Scotland? Austria! Okay, Austria. Alles klar, super. And you, the six of you, where are you from? England, where about? Essex, like Brentwood, Romford, Chelmsford, okay. And you two, please, where are you from? Northern Ireland, like Belfast, whatever, yeah? Okay. And you two, please. Poland. In my family, I have three Polish people. My son, with Aga Arneszka. She been married 7 years now. My nephew married Polish lady Joanna. And the wedding was in Nova Zorish. Hundreds of these people went for the wedding 3 years ago. Yeah? And now they have a baby as well, Matteo. So 3 members of my family are Polish, okay? If your mother is divorced, send her to me so we can have 4. Because I'm free and single, right? I'm free and single. Okay, but she must be a strong woman, eh? Because I'm crazy. Otherwise I kill her in 2 days. Excuse me, at least I'm honest, am I, eh? And hey, and I'm only 70 years old, eh? I'm 70 years old, and I'm proud of it. I'm proud to be old. And you two, please, where are you from? England, whereabouts? No, I'm going to correct you. Shall I correct her? You from Birmingham, is it right? That was a good one, huh? And excuse me, and you two, where are you from? Whereabouts? Somerset, Cheddar Gorge. Later on, I'm going to tell you what I did in Cheddar Gorge. But I can't tell you now. I will tell you as soon as I get out. I will tell you as soon as I get out of this cave. I will tell you what I did. You know, when you go to Cheddar Gorge, you always... By the way, underneath you see all these boats are with scuba diving. Scuba is one of scuba. Malta is getting more and more popular for scuba diving. I don't know if you know it or not. We are second, you know, because it's just a small rock, right? It's so tiny here. But we are honored that we have the title second in the whole world of visibility. We beat it Maldives. Unfortunately, India is getting crazy about plastics and stuff like that. And we beat it Maldives. Maldives was second for a long time. Now we are second, right? If the world goes on like this, I think very soon we'll be first. But the place will beat us is Egypt. You know? Egypt is first, we are second, Maldives is third for visibility. Love it. way to travel. Anyway, now my dear people, right now I must say thank you. Wait, I forgot something. Hey, look at me now, look at me. But don't switch on to a rude mode, because I know as soon as I do something, if I go like this, straight away, you're thinking wrong. You always think rubbish, right? Don't think rubbish, think good. Okay, there you go.
You saw me doing that without me saying nothing. Oh, straight away, because you think I'm going to show you my ass. Right? It's true, eh? Right. And now look, I haven't finished with you. Hello. They don't make them like me anymore. Not bad for 70, yeah?
Anyway, now I must say thank you very much for being with me. I really and truly enjoyed your company. Enjoy the rest of the day and enjoy the rest of your holiday. Thank you very much. I love you all. Merry Christmas and God bless you all. Thank you. Oh, a big round. Oh, a very big round of applause. Why? You mean you enjoyed it? Yeah. Now you know that was a big round of applause, eh? But you think I didn't believe that you enjoyed it? We haven't finished yet, right? Okay, I have a very good technique. If you enjoyed it or not, I have a good technique to know if you enjoyed it or not. Ask me how. Very simple. Very simple. Thank you. And God bless you. Have a great holiday. Thank you.
Yes. You're watching Places to Go Travel. Please like and subscribe.